This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a quick weave with a cap. First, prepare your workspace by gathering all necessary items before you begin. You will need a pair of sharp hair shears, a spray bottle filled with water, and a good quality conditioner. Also have a wide tooth comb, a fine tooth comb, and an oil like olive oil on hand. Ensuring you have everything ready makes the removal process much smoother and faster. Before you begin cutting, gently apply a generous amount of conditioner or natural oil, like olive oil, around the perimeter of the cap. This creates a protective barrier, minimizing any potential adherence of your natural hair to the cap or weave glue. Carefully massage the product into the edges, ensuring complete coverage. This essential step helps prevent breakage and reduces discomfort during the removal process. Start by carefully cutting the sewn-in wefts using your sharp shears. Make small, controlled snips, ensuring the blade is always angled away from your scalp to avoid injury. Once the wefts are mostly detached, gently spray the cap with water or a detangling solution. This helps to loosen the adhesive. Slowly lift the cap in small sections, working with patience and a light touch from back to front. Now, let's test the heater circuit within the O2 sensor. Set your multimeter to the resistance setting, represented by the omega symbol. Connect the red and black leads to the two wires responsible for the heater element. These are usually the same color. A functioning heater circuit should display a reading between 1 and 5 ohms. An out-of-range or infinite reading indicates a bad heater.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.